10 amazing facts about birds. The fastest bird is the peregrine falcon. It can fly at a speed of 168 to 217 miles per hour. The largest egg laid by a living bird is that of the North African ostrich. It is 6 to 8 inches in length and 4 to 6 inches in diameter. The smallest is that of the hummingbird. It is less than 0.39 inches in diameter. Hummingbirds flap their wings between 50 and 70 times a second. There are about 100 billion birds in the world, and about 6 billion of them make their homes in the United States. When two lovebirds appear to be kissing, they are actually grooming each other with their bills to keep clean and neat. A bird called the bee-eater in areas of Africa thinks that riding around on the backs of other animals is fun. The dipper bird builds nests behind waterfalls for protection. Vultures can soar for hours without one beat of their wings. Blue jays often forget where they hide winter supplies of food. The largest bird egg ever laid was laid millions of years ago by the Madagascar, or the elephant bird.